Introducing the 2020 GMC Terrain. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Call now to schedule a test drive.